What if you could ease hip tension for smoother, more comfortable movement with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a dynamic forward bend. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, glide your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead into cactus arms. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Continue flowing at your own pace, keeping your legs active and your core engaged, wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, arms, spine, and legs. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Come to sit a little more forward on your chair, clasping the sides of your chair for support. Step your feet into a wide stance and then lift your heels, coming onto the balls of your feet. Moving from your hip joint, begin to alternate, dropping one knee inward, adding an internal hip rotation, and then repeating on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, creating more mobility and flexibility through your hips. Release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Adding on, cross your right leg over your left. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, and when you're ready, slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Optional to use your left hand to clasp your right ankle and gently draw your right heel toward the outside of your left hip, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Release, set your right foot to the earth, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Adding on, cross your left leg over your right. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, and when you're ready, begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs. Optional to use your right hand to clasp your left ankle, gently drawing your left heel towards your outer right hip, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh, hip, and low back. Slowly lift your torso to upright and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest and place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Adding movement with your left hand to your right leg, alternate between drawing your right thigh in closer and relaxing open. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility through your right hip. Pause with your right thigh relaxing open. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, hinging forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your outer hip, glutes, deep rotators, and low back. Lift your torso to upright and return to center. Let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. With your right hand to your left leg, begin to alternate drawing your left thigh in closer and relaxing open. Continue with this movement, gently waking up your left outer hip. Pause with your left thigh relaxing open. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright and return to center. Moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or just a bit more peaceful and centered. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.